Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Denver's Finest. The song is Fine. The artist is Whitney Houston, and the choreography is Keith and Sandy Steele and Donald BIGSTUF. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you want to check out the step-by-step instruction, check out the choreographer, and also I'll post my instructional at the end. Also, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. For detailed information about the hotel, registration, and the event itself, please visit our website at www.lmiunola.com. And here we go. Denver's Finest. Make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, Louisiana. July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens June 1st, 2025. Please visit our website at www.lmiunola.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.